Hey guys, it's Donna. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today and my grandbaby's here. Can you say hi, Ab? Say hi. Okay. She's just going to give me some good support here while I get this planned. She just came from gymnastics. Alrighty. I am pre-planning today for the week of January the 18th through the 24th. The books used in today's planner weekly spread is Colorful Boxes, Wild Styled, and Detailed Florals. Okay, so the challenge was for our hashtag 2020 planner collab group on Instagram. And the theme for this week was black, white, and blank. So you could pretty much fill in the blank whatever way that you wanted to do that. So I'm going with black, white, and rose gold. Somebody else did pink, and I just didn't want to do that. So I just thought, just leave it and not, do that too. So I'm just going to white out some of this stuff that I don't want showing. And we're going to get right into it. And I forgot all about this little focus button here. So anywho, trying to get that as smooth as possible. And I think we're good. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our florals down here in the corner. And put the Friday over here, sort of going off the page a little bit. And then I tried to nest all these together, which sometimes works out and sometimes it doesn't. So just trying to nest some stuff together. I mean, I shouldn't say nest, I should say layer, okay? I haven't got any comments about that, but I am actually surprised that I haven't, because it's not technically nesting. Nesting is something you do when you're pregnant, getting ready to have a baby. So, let's continue on. And I just took some task things and cut them in half, because dashboard layout is so much more, it's a smaller setup, so I didn't want to get too crazy with it and have all these big globs of stuff everywhere. I hope your day is going good so far. I'm doing a bunch of pre-planning because, well, if I could get a sticker on straight, boy, it would be a miracle. I'm trying to do what a lot of the YouTubers have recommended, which is to pre-plan as many videos as you can. And that really does seem to help, because I have times when I have to help family members and stuff, and I don't have time to sit down and plan. And that makes it extremely challenging, because I really want the content to go out regardless of the size of the channel and all that. I want the content there. This is for me, and it's something that I'm aspiring to do, and I'm going to do it regardless of the success, because I love planning, and I love trying to help other people to plan as best they can. I mean, maybe my stuff's not, up there with some people that have been doing it for a long time, but I don't think it's half bad myself. All right, believe it or not, I got that down straight. And of course, I love to take these banners like this, these sayings, and I love to run them down the pages. Gosh, I got sticky fingers today. Trying to get it on there. There we go. Fairly straight. And then I also layered, good, I was glad they pulled off all together. And I'm going to take and white that out. I mean, I appreciate the fact that, you know, this stuff is down and, you know, all these words and stuff on the planners, you know, like your errands and to buy and all stuff like that. But, you know, sometimes it just makes it really busy. And I put the lazy day here because Tuesdays, I don't work on Tuesdays. So it's not technically a lazy day. You know, I help my grandbaby with her homework and stuff like that. But, you know, for me, you know, you do get to sleep in a little bit and all that good stuff. So I try to keep it a little bit of a lazy day. Alrighty, put that there. And then we're going to run some more of these little to-do dots or task dots or task bar, whatever you want to call them. Here we go. Now, moving to this page. I try not to get everything lined up perfectly. Like, I like it to be a little, like, offset like that. I love this quote. And I think I'm going to white out because I really don't want to see all these lines. I want it to be I don't know if that helped or not. Probably made it worse. But there we go. I didn't want all the lines in there. I should have used my jelly roll, but that's okay. Lesson learned. All right, now we're going to do this down here in the corner. Trying to pull it off my page without making a disastrous mess and keep it all together. And let's do my floral in here first. Isn't that pretty? I just love that. And then we're going to nest this right there. I think that turned out. Now this box I cut off of a box that was in this book, and it was surrounded by florals. So just so you know, that's where that came from. It wasn't a box that was already cut out, so I didn't want people to say, where'd you get that? I mean, I'm sure you can get it in another planner sticker book, but I didn't do that. I just cut it out and used what I had because I didn't have anything rose gold, so I improvised with what I had. All right, naturally that's going to come apart. I'm still going to have a lot of white space, which is fine, because then I can, you know, put stuff here, put notes around here. I didn't want to cover up everything. So, then if I want to put a little something like right there, I can. All right, let's see. Let's put this floral at the top here. Lay that in there. And then I'm going to put another task dot down through here. Now this one's a little trickier to put down, because you're trying to line it up with, cover up those boxes there. This is going to go right Nope, that's not what I wanted. Let's pull that back up. I want it over just a smidge. Okay. And last little bit of stickers and we're done. This is why I like to pre-plan for you guys, because I just feel like it's saves you time, it saves me time. I think it gets the point across a lot easier. And then we're going to nest this in here. Just like that. All right. So that is my 2021 now, excuse me, planner collab group on Instagram. You can also find me on Instagram at Donna Smith Wilson, and Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest. So the theme was black, white, and blank. So my black, white, and blank is black, white, and rose gold. So let's trim off the edges here on a couple of these little pieces here. And where did it go? Oh, there it is. I like to get stuck on my desk here. We might could put, I think this would look super cute. Hanging off the edge of that. Just a little bit. Rather than to completely waste the whole thing. Get it trimmed in there. I tell you, sometimes, there we go. See, just give that a little bit of, and then we'll get the edge of the Friday here. Trim that. There's a little edge there. Lay that back down. And then we've got a little tiny edge over here. Don't want to take my time away from my grandbaby here. She's ready to do some homework and I'm ready to help her. All right. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I'm very happy that you took time to come on over and check out my channel. And if so, and you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really does help me out whenever you like, when you subscribe, and especially like when you comment. You know, the analytics is all set up crazy on YouTube, and the more likes I get and the more comments I get and subscribers I get that subscribe and stay subscribed, it really does help out my channel. So I do appreciate your support. I appreciate the support of my new subscribers, my old subscribers, and I hope that you enjoyed this video today. This is Black, White, and Rose Gold, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.